Hello everyone, welcome here in a World Trade Center. This is a memorial place and very historical back in September 11th, 2001. So it's more than, it's already 25 years ago when the tower, got crushed by the plane during those times. And this is where I am right now. We're here for a quick tour today. And together with the group that we have, kasama natin yung mga ibang lahi sa ating tour. This is what happened now. Yes. Ito yung the World Trade Center. Ito na ngayon. So sad. Makikita mo yung mga, you see the flag, the name of the people who died during the incident. So devastated to see that.
Pennsylvania when the grave souls come and be event. May recall, 1993, there was a
Kasama namin sa tour.
Now, panels are divided differently. So, for example, here the panels are going to be the firefighters. Over here, not really so. Beyond that,
That is the World Trade Center. It's very devastated. Makita mo yung memorial. The memory of those people who worked here before. And it's a blink of eyes, na bigla mawala. In September 11, 2001. Thank you and see you next time.